I'm going to tell you about noise and interference. Now, what is noise and interference? So, noise is any electrical signal present in a circuit other than the desired signal. So, it's an electrical signal present in a circuit other than the desired output signal. For example, noise can be either generated within a circuit or picked up from an external natural or artificial resources. So this definition about the noise excludes the distortion products produced in the circuit due to non-linearities. Okay. Now the whatever definition which I've written here, it excludes the distortion products. So these distortion products are not considered as noise unless they are coupled into another part of the circuit. Now whatever distortions that a circuit produces, now that distortion, unless they get coupled into a part of a circuit, till then they are not considered as a noise. So what is an interference? Interference is an undesirable effect of noise. If a noise voltage, for example, causes an improper operation of a circuit. Now suppose you have for example you have a differential amplifier. In differential amplifier you have a supply input and you have a noise input also. Now that noise voltage which is there, if it causes improper operation of the circuit, then it is an interference. So that is called as an interference. Okay. So noise cannot be eliminated, but interference can be eliminated. Okay. So how that interference can be eliminated? In the same case, in differential amplifier, if the noise voltage is kept, you can differential amplifier. There are two inputs, right? Now similarly, if you have at one supply, if you have put noise voltage, same way you put at the other place also, so that you get balances and cut off. So that's how you can um, get eliminate of the interference. But noise cannot be eliminated. Noise can only be reduced in magnitude until it no longer causes interference. So noise sources can be grouped into two following three categories. One is intrinsic. Now intrinsic meaning noise sources that arise from random fluctuations within the physical systems, such as thermal noise and short noise. Now what is thermal noise? Thermal noise is a random and often referred to as a white noise. Okay, thermal noise is also referred to as white noise. Thermal noise are generally observed in the resistor or a sensitive resistive components of a complex impedance due to the random and rapid movement of the molecules or atoms or electrons. So basically what is thermal noise is that thermal noise is also called as white noise and is generally observed in sensitive resistive components of complex impedances due to random fluctuations of molecules or atoms or electrons. Now what is short noise? Short noise, these are noise that are generally arise in the active components, active devices, for example, active devices due to random behavior of the charged particles or carriers. For example, in case of electron tube, short noise is produced due to the random emission of the electron from the cathode. Okay. Now next is man-made noise. Noise sources such as motors, switches, computers, digital electronics, and radio transmitter. These are all man-made noise. Noise caused by natural disturbance such as lightning and sunspots. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching my video.